And what advice would you give the current students going through the program now?
They're not making mistakes. They're on the right path. So let them keep doing what they are doing. Like myself, I didn't even, after I got launched, I was not sure if I was ready to get a job or something. In fact, I traveled outside the country, and that was where the company, the recruiter reached out to me and was like, can you meet us and all that? I'm like, I came for my vacation. How do I even do this? And at the end, I said, okay, let me just give it a trial. And I tried it, and I got another email to move forward with the interview. I said, okay, good, let's keep. I was like, let me freestyle with this. And, it worked out. So I think when they get up to that stage where they think they are comfortable enough with what they know, with their practices. And like I also say this, my mentor, Sonia, she is so awesome. Like back when I traveled, I called her, I said, look at what is going on. She reached out to me, we did some prepping, and that was my only prep. And I went for the interview. And another thing I would tell people is when they go for interview, okay, I knew that my interview was going to be 1 hour each with 2 managers. So it's going to be 1 hour with this manager, 1 hour with the other manager. And my plan, I came out with a plan. I said, okay, if I'm going to be speaking for 1 hour with these guys, that's a lot. So I'm going to make them talk more. So during the interview, I went to get the job description, and the first guy started talking, allowed him to say everything. And I came back to him. I said, okay, based on this, look at what I saw in your description. Can you explain this further to me? So, I think I succeeded in making him do more talking than, before our 1 hour was almost going. So he asked me my own questions too, and I gave it to him. But I think my plan here is allow them to, when you go for your interviews, allow them to talk, allow them to get the job description. Okay, I'm going to give you an example. Like a job description there says that the person they want for this position will work with stakeholders from various business areas to understand data structures, determine data definitions, and blah, blah, blah. So during the interview, I asked the guy, I said, who are those stakeholders? Can you describe them? What do they? So that made he was interested in telling me more about his stakeholders. And, before he spoke for like 5 or 10 minutes trying to describe that. so that, I think that technique works for me. So if you think, okay, how do I face these guys for 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever hour, just come up, let them do the talking more, and you take it in. And based on what they told you, you throw another question to them. So, yeah.